What's up, guys? In this video, we will be talking about my top 3 meme coins to start off 2025. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so in this video, we will be checking out 3 different websites. And to start it off, let's go ahead and check out Chill Guy. So it is a laid-back meme character that is embodying the art of relaxation and embracing a low-key vibe. Now, it's also calm, casual, and unfazed, and he represents a mindful approach. So beyond all the chaos in the world, there is this Chill Guy meme that you guys should go ahead and check out. So the mission of this meme coin is to make mindfulness accessible and relatable for everyone. So especially, guys, those who do not feel that meditation is for them. So you like yoga, relaxing and all that stuff, breathe and all those good stuff. This Chill Guy meme coin is actually the one that you need to go ahead and check out. Again, make sure to do your own research, of course. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. So the Chill Guy encourages people to find their own path to staying chill. And through the supportive community, Chill Guy breaks down barriers to mindfulness, which blends ancient wisdom with modern science in a very approachable, stress-free style. So whether it's work stress, relationships, or daily challenges, Chill Guy reminds us to stay present, take it easy, and enjoy life moment by moment. So this meme coin, guys, has a really, really good potential to head, 100x or 50x, because again, this is very unique and there's a lot of different things that you can go ahead and check out about this. And you can click on their about, guys, up on top right here. Okay, you see that about, and it will take you directly to this. You could go ahead and read through their mission. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And of course, make sure to follow all their social media platforms. Just like that, guys, Chill Guy already has 71,600 followers in their X account. And go ahead and check that one out, because again, you want to make sure that there is a good temperament in terms of, the community, because the community is the one. A strong, vibrant community is key to having a super duper successful meme coin project. All right, on the next one in our list, guys, is the Gen Z Quant. So this is the perfect fusion of meme culture and financial revolution. So this is inspired by the bold tale of a Gen Z trader who turned chaos into triumph. So they are using the Quant token. All right, so it embodies the unpredictable yet determined spirit of the cryptocurrency world. So what started as a rug pull was transformed into a super powerful community-driven comeback. And it's showcasing that decentralized finance is not just about innovation, it is also about redemption. Okay, so it's rooted in its meme-powered ethos, and it is inspired by the Quant revolution shaping the modern trading. So Quant token is representing resilience, creativity, and collective growth. So by embracing volatility, celebrating memes, and challenging traditional norms, guys, Quant token is empowering its community to redefine what's possible in the ever-evolving cryptocurrency landscape. So go ahead and check them out, guys. There's a lot of information about it, and you even have this video. Super simple, but whoever thought that it's gonna be like a very successful project, right? Now, this is also their X account, guys. Make sure to follow all their social media platforms. That way, when they have announcements, updates, giveaways, anything and everything that talks about the project, you will not miss out on those. And the last but not the least, guys, this one does not need any introduction anymore. This is Dogecoin. Okay, so it is a really unique cryptocurrency that began as an accidental movement that spread smiles and positivity back then. So guys, as an open source peer-to-peer cryptocurrency which utilizes blockchain technology to ensure the secure decentralized information storage, Beyond its technical foundation, Dogecoin is actually thriving on its vibrant, friendly community. And this is one perfect example that is a very, very successful project because of its community that is backing it up. Super driven. And for Dogecoin, guys, its expanding ecosystem champions it as a legitimate alternative to the traditional fiat money. So with its dynamic growth and dedication to the community-driven development, Dogecoin is actually representing more than just a cryptocurrency. It is already a movement that is built on trust, utility, and a shared commitment to making the world a kinder, more inclusive place for each and everyone. So you got to go ahead and check all these 3 meme coins out. Of course, you already know about Dogecoin, but there's always room for more information. That way you could gather as much info and you would be able to make informed decisions, and you could also know what you're getting yourself into. Guys, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. So we have actually talked about the 3 top meme coins for my 2025. Go ahead and check them out. All the links will be in the description of the video. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.